Hi everyone. Today I'll be showing you how to do one other type of operation I didn't cover in my previous Python arithmetic video. And this operation is called exponents. So first let me pull up a new Python editor. So, so for exponents, usually on a computer you type something like this and then you use shift and 6 and then you type your string of numbers. It will give me an answer, but that's not the answer I was looking for. That is because it is actually doing something that I don't want it to do. So the way you fix that is that you use, if let's say I want to, so you do this string of numbers, and then instead of 1 for multiplication, which wouldn't give me a wrong result, you use your string of numbers and you put 2 multiplication signs, and then you use your string of numbers, and then it will, and then let's just give it some time because this is a hard one. Well, anyways, I'm gonna just tell you that's how, but I'm gonna have to kill the program, which is the Python word for stopping a program. Okay, let's try this again. But this time with smaller numbers. Look, it gave me the answer. If you try any type of other syntax, it'll just give me the answer of 17 times 5, which not the answer I'm looking for. Uh, if you forget, if you forget the correct syntax, like you do this, it'll give me a file standing line 1 at the comma and the exponent, telling me that I've done the invalid syntax. If you just leave a number and this, that's also an incorrect syntax. So the the reason those syntaxes are wrong is because Python sure is picky about your syntax. Even if I got a minuscule mistake like missing the multiplication sign, it just gives me nothing. It doesn't say, oh, did you mean to put a multiplication sign or anything like that? Or if I put another something you should have learned in 6th grade from another method for multiplication. Syntax! It will tell me that, it will complain that the object is not callable and that there's a syntax warning, plus there's that int object isn't callable. So Python sure is picky, but let's talk about how it works. So let's say I type 92 and want to know its exponent. So 92 exponent is 8064. It essentially knows by doing multiplication twice. In in another way your teachers taught you was 10, and then you use the up triangle symbol, and then 2. That should give me 100, but it gave me 8. So that's wrong. And that's how you do Python math for exponents. Thank you for watching. Bye.